Alright, this is how I educate myself. I go over here and I grab my parts books and a service book. So that's a 12 bike, I think you said. So this is a 11 Dyna service book. And this is an 09 touring book. That's close enough for me. So it's going to give me the information I care about. One is what the hell the compensator looks like in this thing. And two is what side of the hardware you need to get the thing apart. Okay, so there's your inner compensator here. If light helps or not on this thing. So the rotor just sits on the shaft with a big spring. I already knew that. Kind of know what the parts look like. I just don't know how they assemble together. Okay, and here's the other half. That's the clutch. I know how all that works. Now a lot of that rattling that they had was in the clutch with the plates just rattling inside. The motor shut off that clank clank noise. That was the clutch, which is normal. The basket didn't move in and out, so the nut is probably still tight. Okay, here's our compensator stuff here. It doesn't look anything like this, but here's this book, 09, should be all the same. This looks like normal parts. Except the sprocket we got, this stuff all looks a hell of a lot bigger than what this is showing in the picture. And it doesn't show that big nut. Here's the big bolt that holds the whole thing on the crank. So maybe this thing here is the one that is what has the nut on it. It's this big sleeve piece. The picture doesn't show that, but that has to be what I'm looking at, is this thing's put in backwards compared to an old bike. So it looks like you just take the screw out, the bolt out of the center, and the whole big nut thing will come out of the unit. That's why it won't turn, because it's on the splines. So one they just call a screw. They don't tell me what size bolt it is or anything. Alright. So that's the parts book. Now we go to the service book. Maybe it'll actually give me a bolt size or something so I know what kind of wrench I need to buy. Because I don't like working on these new bikes. Could buy different tools. Everybody's going to call me a dumbass for not knowing what's going on the inside of this piece of crap, but hey, when you never worked on one, what are you going to do? Got to figure this shit out. So, no, I didn't go on YouTube or Facebook or some other stupid thing to look it up either. I use books. This is some dumbass know what the hell they're doing, don't help me none. Okay, where is the primary drive? Valve seal. Okay, so here's your primary drive stuff. Primary drive locking tool. You don't need that. You're not using a crescent wrench to take your bike apart. There we go, a picture of what we really own here. So there you go. That has to be the nuts. What I'm looking at is the sleeve. It's splined to the hub. That's why it will not rotate. It turns the motor really nice with it, which we can see that. Number 6. What is number 6? One full turn. Tight compensator sprocket to 100 foot-pounds. Loosen compensating sprocket back 1 full turn. What the hell are they talking about? Tighten compensating sprocket to 140 foot-pounds. Tighten clutch hub main shaft nut. That's the clutch. We're not working the clutch. So they got 100 pounds, back it off, tighten it back to 140. So you got to tighten up 3 times to get the bolt stretched out. Is that what they're saying? Whatever. Use good hardware, tighten it once, be done with it. They don't tell you what size it is, as usual. The bolt locking tool, screw your locking tool. Locking tool. Yeah, they don't give you an idea what size tool you need. That's what something to be important, like what you need for wrenches and tools would be nice. They don't tell you that. That you have to figure out yourself. So I guess I'll have to go Google to see what size it is. Alright. Yeah, whatever. It's all normal junk. Who cares? You're supposed to use a zip tie to hold it down. Oh boy. Whoopie-doo. Oh, look at that fancy tool. Alright. As usual, service book ain't worth a crap for anything. Okay, so I see how that big nut doesn't unscrew now. That's why it didn't unscrew. So now I need to find me a socket, star head, or a Torx head wrench, big ass bastard. So the one guy said it was a number 210, whatever the hell that means. So I'll go do some checking on the computer now. See if I can figure out, because this ain't working too good so far. Alright, that's it for now. Okay, I went on my Google here. I sticked up Torx. I just searched Torx. We're on Wikipedia. What the hell the name of that stupid thing is. Anyway, go in here, hit size chart. Right here, sizing. And it pops up the sizing, what dimension we need. So it's 610 thou is a T70. That's from titty to titty. I measured with a caliper, it was 619. So 610 is what the socket is. It gives you 9 thou clearance to put it in, which sounds about right. So I got looking for a T70 Torx bit to loosen up what I need. So there you go. Now we just pop over to eBay, our favorite place to look for shit. T70 Torx. Yeah, it pops right up. Look at that. Boom. There you go.
Here.
What?
Oh, I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm looking for a T70 Torx bit so I can work on a pile of crap modern bike I could give a squat about. How's that sound?
Sounds about accurate.
Sounds fun, doesn't it?
I found a jug of Lucas 60 weight for 37 bucks from Summit.
Yeah, but you got to pay shipping to get it here. How much is in a jug?
5 quarts.
And how much is it?
37.
That's more than $5 a quart. That's more than that's about $8 a quart again. And you got to pay shipping. Just use Maxima. Quit fighting it. How much is on the shelf right here?
I don't know. I'll just come and get it every time I change it out.
Yeah, it's a lot easier.
Yeah, I'll just do that.
I'll just sell it to you to get a real cheap price. Don't worry about it.
All right, cool.
You're going to be buying a case lot, so it's cheaper anyway.
Yeah.
All right, so grab a couple more quarts. What, you got 2 in there right now?
I got 2 right now. Do you want me to start filling it up?
No, but do 3 quarts at a time. That'll be plenty for your bike. You know, that thing hold like 7 or 8 quarts in that damn thing.
Probably a gallon.
Yeah, just put.
Do you, the 25-60 or do we have the straight 60?
All right, here you go. 50, 60, 70. Which one do you want?
160.
Okay, grab the 60.
Grab, yeah, 160.
One's ought to be enough. That's funny. Okay, so I'm looking down here for something cheap.
All right, so you said no on filling it up.
No, just wait. Okay, China. I don't want China. See, I usually look for something good. So you can look through all this crap for $5 a piece. So, me, I like good quality tools. So for me, I'm going to look for either Snap-on. $59. I don't want to pay $59. So we're out. We don't like Snap-on. Okay, next choice is Proto's really good. I like Proto. Boom. There ain't nothing from Proto. What's this down here? Husky. I don't want no Husky. Unless I have to. Husky's probably a decent brand. $10. Who sells that? Is that Home Depot or somebody sells that? I forget. Okay, then we're gonna go to SK is a really good brand too. I like SK stuff. Nothing. Okay, we're not finding anything really good here. We got old Craftsman stuff. How do you spell Craftsman? I don't even know how to spell it. Go buy a wrench. Craftman. Yeah, probably close enough. There we go. It's close enough. I left out an S. I got the S in the wrong spot. Doo. There we go. Boom. Way too much money. No, I don't like any of those. Alright, so next thing is we just put USA up here. If it's made in USA, it's going to be decent. Matco. Is that Matco or is that the other one? Sounds just like it. K-Tool. That doesn't sound very good. That looks like it'll break. Free return. Oh, you can return after you break it. Alright. What's this thing? Unknown brand. Subaru and GMC. Great. Yeah, I think I'll pass. There's another unknown brand. K-Tool. Matco sounds pretty good. Who sells Husky?
AutoZone.
That's AutoZone?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, that's quality stuff then.
Oh, yeah. You know, they're actually not that bad. It's better than Harbor Freight.
Yeah, I've used them before. They're decent. There's nothing to write home about, but we just need something decent. So here's a Matco tool. They're decent. Matco stuff's pretty good. So here's $25 free shipping. Where's it out of? Oh, Pennsylvania. It'll be here in a week. I'm sure that won't be a problem for him finding something.
Why don't we just go down to AutoZone?
You could do that.
It's literally 2 blocks away.
Yeah,
Not
but
even.
they're closed already.
No, they close at 10.
Oh, well. Call them up on your phone. See if they got a Husky T70 Torx bit. See Walker's here. They can.
Am I on payroll now?
He's on payroll. All right, we'll see what we can find.